Hello there and welcome to this video on art marketing, and I'm going to share with you some new traffic sources that I found to post some of my art and my videos and tutorials, etc. So if you are looking for a new traffic source and you find Facebook and Pinterest and all of those sources, which are good, but you find them kind of competitive and tapped out, which they really are these days, there are some new sources developing that are growing quite a bit, and I'm going to cover what some of these are, especially for the creatives. So this particular one is called Scoop It, and I'm going to go over the stats for this site in a minute, but I'm just going to show you how I do a post. I just signed up for a free account on this. There are paid accounts, and I'm considering one of those, but right now in the meantime I'm doing a free post. So I've added a photograph, a pin from the post that I'm going to do, and with this I'm going to put in I'm in the acrylic art painting, that's my topic, and so my subtopic is going to be my post title. So this is going to be acrylic art techniques for beginners, 10 techniques. All right, and then I'm going to put in my description, which is going to be one painting, 10 techniques, learn how to paint with acrylics for beginners, easy painting. Okay, and then I'm going to put in my site. Let's see, I'm going to put in my blog actually right here. See entire post, and that's going to be art.live, and this is my creative pro tips, join free. Okay, so then I'm going to add my tags. Paint, acrylics, DIY, easy painting tips. Okay, something like that. I'm just putting this in quickly. So let's see, this is going to be a link to my blog. Alright, so then I've got all of that. The social channels are locked right now because they want you to take a pro account to use those, but I am going to put this in. This is called a scoop, and the site again is Scoop It, or scoop.it is basically what it is. So I'm going to put this in and then publish it, and it says, awesome, it's done. So I'm going to view my scoop, and this is basically it. Great. Okay, so that looks really good. I've got a few posts here. As you can see, I just joined this, and I find that it is pretty good for bringing in some traffic. So these are my topics that I have here. They're only allowing me to really work under one or two of these topics because you need a pro tip or a pro account to put more of those in. So with this, then I guess I can scoop it, which I don't know what that means. I guess I'm learning as I go, but it is posted there. So let's go to the home page. Oh boy, you can see I'm really on here quite a bit. Here's another one that I did, along with some of today's hot stories that people are scooping. So this is a great thing if you want to really start building a different traffic source. I might have to go on here and delete one of these because I find that it's a little repetitive. But let me go ahead and show you a little more about this on a traffic analysis of this site. Again, it's scoop.it. It has approximately 4 million visitors per month. Unique visitors are 3.4. So this gives you a good idea that there's quite a bit of traffic at this. This is the last 6 months. It's gone down just a little bit, but that's natural over summer. So it probably will pop up again over the next 6 months, I would imagine. The traffic is coming mostly from mobile. There is some desktop usage. And these are some of the pages that are getting the traffic. Traffic sources, it's showing me that I have direct traffic here is very good. I'm getting referral traffic at 1.2 million. Search traffic is really good, 1.9 million. Also some social traffic and a few paid ads, it looks like. And the traffic by country, it's breaking down the highest with the United States. So that's really good for me in particular, being a U.S. business. Also, some other countries are represented here, but much less. Really, the United States is the high user here with 1.2 million. So that is a very good look at this particular site. So again, this is called Scoop It, and it is a site that you can post your art, you can post your content, you can post images, you can post links and everything. And these do appear to be do follow links. Yes, it's taking you right back to my site. So that's beautiful. So if you're looking for a new traffic source for whatever it is that you do, but in particular, this is for creatives because there are a number of different topics that you can go on here and find what it is you're looking for. So if you're looking, here's just tons: data, career, computer science, environment, geography, finance, fashion and beauty, whatever it is that you do, there is a subtopic for you. So you might want to give that a try and try scooping it just a few times a month or during the week if you find it works for you. Maybe get a pro membership. I might do another tutorial on a pro membership and see how that helps. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you'd like more creative pro tips on painting and art marketing and things that I've learned through my career in art, you can go to my site at 101artist.com. Thanks for watching.